Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. On to this amazing video, I'm going to show you one of the ideas where you can boost your hair growth if you are on lock. I have my hair locks for some certain reason. One, majorly because I'm trying to grow my edge, and I've seen locking my hair has given me the opportunity to grow my edges. So guys, these are my ingredients. All you just need: some ginger, some aloe vera, some water, and some oil. You can use any of your oil of your choice. I'm using sunflower oil because it is very light and it's almost odorless. So the procedures are self-explanatory. Just let me know if you have any doubt or any question. I'll be waiting for you on the comment section. So this is the video, this is the application, and the time for waiting is roughly 20 to 25 minutes. If you can wait more if you wish, after which you just wash it up with a lukewarm water and your hair is ready to go. You don't have to re-shampoo your hair after applying this mixture on your hair. Just rinse off with a lukewarm water. Bye guys.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finds